This 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee is brought to you by AutoPoint Pre-Owned, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Jeep is powered by our four-wheel drive, automatic transmission, Pentastar V6 engine and has 97,145 miles. Explore new adventures in this reliable 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee, off-road ready, luxury inside. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.